This course teaches pencil realism, charcoal realism, freehand, and grid method. Pencil realism. When I mean pencil realism, I'm not referring to copying everything from the reference photo inch by inch on your drawing sheet. What I mean is artistic realism, for which you should know the basics of portrait drawing and light theory. This course teaches everything from the basic and everything you need to know to create realistic portraits. This course is suitable for the beginners and intermediate learners. You can easily take your portrait to the next level. Charcoal realism. Charcoal is hardly taught by artists or institutes. However, charcoal is not that difficult. Charcoal realism is just an extension of realistic pencil portraits. All that you should know is technique to create realism using charcoal and how not to ruin the portrait. That is taught in this course. Grid method. Grid method is a safe method to achieve resemblance. Once you know grid method, you can take commission works. If any of your friends or family members want their portrait to be done from you, you can take the order and do the service for a fee of rupees 1000, 2000 or even more depending on the quality of your drawing and the size of your work. You can create a business for yourself. Freehand. Freehand is drawing someone from life or photo without the use of grid. I am an expert in freehand. I use a technique to achieve resemblance. You can check my portraits and most of them have 85 to 90% resemblance with the character I draw, and my technique is taught in this course. Format of the course. It is a self-learning course, all pre-recorded videos. You can watch it whenever you are free. Course duration is 60 hours, which is divided into 27 hours of teaching and 23 hours of demo. Suitable for 11 plus year kids and any adult. Once after you purchase the course, you will be enrolled in the course immediately and you can start learning immediately. You can watch it on your mobile, tab, laptop or desktop. All that you have to do is log in and start learning. So what are you waiting for? Check the course details on my page ramyasadasivam.com/courses/portrait and you can join the course on the same page.